Welcome to the Quick Start Guide to log in to the crypto portion of the platform. We will cover the basics to get started. After installing the software icon will appear on your desktop. Double-clicking the software will open the login window you will use to enter your login username and password. Refer to your email from your assigned account manager to access the login credentials. You can check the Save Password to retain your password for future logins. Now simply click the Login button. Open at least one chart and at least one order entry window. Connect the windows with the color system. Go to the order entry or the chart and type the crypto you would like to pull up. Or select the pull-down list to browse for crypto to trade. You are able to trade in smaller quantities. In this example, I will select Ethereum. I want to trade 0.02. Select the order type and then click Place Order. You will see your order sitting in the Positions window. If you would like to close this position, select the X under Close. Remember, to find the crypto to trade, navigate to the symbol selection area. You can further refine your search by deselecting or selecting the markets you want to trade. Let's make sure that crypto is selected and the other markets are deselected. Look for cryptocurrencies and expand this list. Select the crypto you want to trade, which will load it into the order entry window. Select quantity, then select order type, and then click Place Order. This concludes the Quick Start Guide to get you quickly up and running to find and trade crypto. Check out the playlist section for upcoming videos related to crypto trading.